Hi, I'm Al, and this is the Evolution S185CCSL, the new heavy-duty 7¼ inch metal cutting circular saw. This saw utilizes Evolution's advanced cutting technology, which outperforms other technologies when cutting metal, giving an instantly workable finish. It comes with this tungsten carbide blade here, which is great for cutting mild steel. This saw has a powerful 15-amp motor and high-torque gearbox. It will cut your material with virtually no heat, burrs, or sparks, unlike other cutting methods. There's a robust pressed steel base here. This ensures the saw is solid and sturdy. And weighing in at only 11.4 pounds allows for comfort when in use. What's great is this T-handle here, giving balance and comfort during repeat sheet metal cutting in any fab shop or construction site. Rated for heavy-duty industrial applications, this little guy is equipped to make easy work of metal up to a capacity of 2½ inches at 90 degrees on square tube to a wall thickness of 1/8 inch. And if you're working sheet steel or diamond plate, you can cut to a maximum thickness of 5/16 inch. Safety is of huge importance in the workplace, and this saw has some well thought out safety features. There's an integrated chip deflection here. Another fantastic feature implemented in this saw is the electronic blade brake, which almost immediately stops the blade once you release from the trigger, like so, which is handy if you need to make sudden adjustments in your cutting angle. Plus, there's a clear visibility panel situated here to provide you clear sight for cutting accuracy. This lever here at the front of the saw adjusts the bevel from 0 to 45 degrees. At the maximum bevel angle, the saw can cut a depth capacity of 1 3/8 inch on square tube or pipe at 1/8 inch wall thickness, allowing bevel cuts, enhancing the cutting versatility of the saw. An edge guide is included, which slides in here, locks in place for assisted straight line cutting. There are these rear-facing base indicators here and here at 0 and 45 degrees, giving you clear visibility of both the front and rear cutting line to ensure perfectly square cuts. Onboard tool storage is included in the form of an Allen wrench found here in the handle, allowing for a quick and easy blade change. In addition to the supplied mild steel cutting blade, there are also a range of material-specific blades which work with this saw. The aluminum blade you can see here has a specially designed geometry, so your aluminum stock won't clog the blade. This thin steel blade is working on metals that are particularly thin. This blade will leave a clean, virtually burr-free finish on these thinner workpieces. The stainless blade has been designed to cope with 302, 303, and 304 stainless. Check with your metal supplier the grade before you buy your material. So there you have it, the Evolution S185CCSL, heavy-duty 7¼ inch metal cutting circular saw, a high-quality product designed with user portability in mind. More accurate, reliable, powerful, and safe than other methods of cutting. Sold with a best-in-class 3-year warranty, giving you confidence and peace of mind when using the saw. Thanks for watching.